Renault Mascott. This is the location of the fuel prime pump. It's an electrical pump, and during start it's taking fuel from the filter. Yes. Connected in parallel with the line that goes to the injection pump, and it helps to take out the air from lines. It's used only for start. This one here is coming for the fuel from the fuel filter. Yes. The little one outside is the return line. So on this side, the induction side is taking fuel from the line that comes from the fuel filter. Yes. And goes to the injection pump. Here we have a one-way valve. Yes. And the pump is taking the fuel, and it's going here after the one-way valve. Yes. And if the pressure is too much, we have another valve here that goes in the return line. So it's a good idea to check if this pump is working during startup. After the ignition is on, the pump needs to work. This one. The engine will start anyway, but it will start a little bit harder. The engine will start without this pump, and it will work very well, but this one helps very much.